Hi, we're recording a new routine for my music in motion 2020. This routine is actually choreographed by my assistant Caroline, but I'm modifying it so it's easy to remember. 4 sets each, okay? The first routine would be rowing the boat like this. And then you say hallelujah with your finger. And then the next step is would be routine would be pull, and then you just worship way that we call. The third routine is you reverse the rowing so that your body will feel balanced. Okay? So let's do the song Micro Row the Boat by Peter Paul and Mary. Featuring the Forever Young Minister St. Patrick.